Welcome. Thanks for joining me. On this flight, we're looking at the ancient market town of Yarm in the northeast of England. In front of us, we're looking at the magnificent series of arches that support the high-level railway. It's a busy market town. Just below the Cleveland Hills, bordering County Durham and North Yorkshire. It's surrounded on three sides by the beautiful River Tees. Many a fisherman heads here for gigantic chub and other coarse fish species. Let's watch for the train coming as we traverse the line. I'm afraid it's not a steam train today, but beggars can't be choosers. There we go. The town on the left, a few choice properties on the right. It's quite an affluent society that live in and around Yarm. The schools are quite important to the community and very high standard, I believe. As we leave Yarm, we'll stop and then turn to the right and take in the beautiful River Tees. These days it's non-tidal, controlled by the River Tees barrage, which transformed the river into almost still water. It's only when they open the barrage that the levels rise or drop. But it still holds a head of fish, challenging for any local angler. This is the view of a Mavic Pro by DJI. A fantastic drone, a bit old in the tooth, but like me, something to be cherished. Looking down the still waters, this bend used to be so prolific for pike. I wonder if it still is. Following the course of the river, we turn to the right and we start to see the arches of the viaduct again. That's not the only bridge in Yarm, as we are about to see in a moment the picturesque bridge. Some lovely pubs in this area where you can sit out for a meal or a snack, include a beer, and just watch the world go by on road and river. There's the busy high street of Yarm stretching out in the distance. Not quite gridlocked today, but like all market towns, when it becomes popular, it becomes difficult to move. Returning now to the takeoff point, we'll rise up to have a little look around. This lovely part of North Yorkshire. Looking down, we get a great view. I can even see my little red Mini. That's a clue for a takeoff point and landing. In this flight, I carried an Insta360 1X2. That's a mouthful. The drone carried a 360 camera for a novel view. You may like to have a look for that on my channel. If you do, I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Join me again soon.